foundation was created in 2009. We used the power of sport, specifically rugby, to make a positive, lasting difference in people's lives. So what we do, we work across various strands, as you mentioned. Education, inclusivity, community engagement are crucial, and the helping of youngsters and adults who otherwise might fall through cracks is why we focus. Right now, there's probably no more important than ever, because if you look at it, we've had post-COVID, post cost of living crisis, and there are communities that really need to connect, gain confidence and purpose. And rugby, I suppose, because of its ethos, we use the ethos of rugby as a platform, and its values, obviously respect, teamwork, discipline, come in all the time. And it's through that we help people build better futures.
Yeah. And how many projects do you have on the go at any one time?
That's a question that really, I suppose, in many ways, it really depends on the staff you have and sort of how many. And we've had to reduce our staff over the period when London Irish went into administration, because we were the official charity of London Irish, and obviously that caused a lot of problems. We were instantly dropped out of the Premier Rugby family. So, the projects that we run in 3 projects in the Premier Rugby, they went overnight. Although we were a standalone business, we were linked to the club, and it really did affect us. So we were having to sort of look at funding, government funding, and try a different approach. So what we've done, we've worked at certain projects that are bigger projects, not so many, but then we still like to do our core things like our Inclusion Festival that we've been running since 2022. That's built, on the 3rd of December this year, we've got booked in 133 people of disability that will be there for the afternoon. We've got 27 volunteers, the 10 sort of VIP guests who have always supported us, and we will spend an afternoon. We don't have any funding for that, so I have to find cash to make it work. But because of the impact it made on these people with disability, I'm not going to stop it. I'm going to find a way, because it's so important for them.
Maybe it's because I'm an Irish Londoner. Maybe that's what makes me what I am. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm a proud London Irishman. All you Harry hooligans, stand up and say hello. You've done the rest and go away on my own. Or if you're Kilkenny, Tipperary, or Tyrone, the proud London Irish. Maybe it's because I'm an Irish Londoner. Maybe that's what makes me what I am. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. A proud London Irishman. In the old crown haze, how my paddy used to roam. Come on, the hooks and markets where you never walk alone. In and out the pubs all along the Ushbridge Road. A proud London Irish boys. But maybe it's because I'm an Irish Londoner. Maybe that's what makes me what I am. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. A proud London Irishman. Streets and the churches and the pubs are where you stood. You're proud London Irish boys. But maybe it's because I'm an Irish Londoner.
Being a new dad is an amazing experience, but it can also be brutal, mucky. More than 130 babies die in the UK every year as a result of unsafe sleeping. Never sleep on a sofa or armchair with the baby. Never sleep in the same bed as the baby if you're extremely tired, or if you smoke, drink, or take drugs or medication.
Lift the baby!
Never let the baby get too hot or cover the baby's face while sleeping. And never bedshare if the baby was born premature or at a low weight. Enjoy being a dad for life, and don't fall asleep while holding the baby.
Lift the baby!
Lift the baby for safer sleeping.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight.
Because I'm an Irish Londoner. Maybe it's because I'm an Irish Londoner. Maybe it's because I'm an Irish Londoner. Maybe it's because I'm an Irish Londoner. Maybe that's what makes me what I am. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm proud of an Irish man.
Yeah, I think the girls are a real inspiration to young women and young men. I'm a professional rugby coach. I have been for about 30 years. There's a new generation, I guess, starting to follow the red roses, which is exciting.
This programme is about engaging with them and bringing them to a level where they will have genuine confidence to move forward.
He was really nice. He understood everyone's point of view. He was so supportive with all the lyrics everyone was giving him, and he would turn them into a really nice melody and a song.
Getting them completely reconnected back to actually what money means and what it can do for them.
And, I'm a chef. I've been a chef for really 40 years.
Okay, so Lewis is going to take you over here. Okay, he's going to show you how to prep for the dessert, and you're going to get your hands dirty. So everyone, we'll wash our hands.
I'll be able to put those skills into the future.
The hope is that the girls will have an enjoyable evening. They'll enjoy delivering the food, serving the food, and they'll just have a wonderful time being part of this brilliant event.
They're getting to interact with other adults, are seeing that the skills that they're developing here, they can take into, later life.
Hi, my name's Jimmy. I work for Starbucks. Passion and care and dedication that goes into running this type of work. It takes a village, it takes a lot to make this happen. To work with the schools and to engage the young people and to create an opportunity with outcomes that, that work.
Anyone going for a tough time, there's saving grace on the way.
Show me your light. Saving grace don't come without a fight. May take all your mind. In the end, it will be alright. It's gonna 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 be alright. Step by step, take your time.
The good work is just getting started, and having more help along the way to do that would be absolutely invaluable.